welcome to Miracles Universe.
Hello guys, my name is Aki and my helper is Mamila. So, I'm gonna cook scrambled egg. Let's see! Now guys, we're gonna put it.
What's that?
Scrambled egg.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do it.
Ganito eh.
Now we're gonna wait it, Mommy,
Okay.
until it's brown now.
Okay. Let's wait until it turns brown.
Okay. Half bacon, let's do it. It's a bullet.
Like this.
Okay, now it's almost done.
Almost done.
Guys, how do you like it if it's almost done?
Is egg your favorite food?
Yes. Let's matay this other one. Then it's matay now.
Okay, you need to put in the plate.
That's your spoon.
Wait, I'm gonna put some rice.
Of course, we need to turn off the cooker. Okay. Okay.
Hindi pa tapos!
Ay, hindi pa
I'm
tapos.
still gonna add rice.
We're gonna add rice. Okay.
Okay.
So you're preparing your food. Slowly.
Ah,
Oops. Okay. Okay. Now it's done.
bye-bye guys, I'm gonna eat now.
Search for Miracles Universe on YouTube.